Hey guys, Anthony Tackett. I'm on my way to work again. I recently had a friend 3D print a prototype for me for one of my EDC items, and I had a question for the EDC geeks out there and the woodworkers out there. I was really impressed with the print quality of the piece that he made, and I started to brainstorm. What are some ways that I could use a 3D printer in my woodworking? And I was going to reach out to you guys and see if you've done that before. Have you combined 3D printed pieces with woodworking specifically, or have you used the 3D printer to kind of hone in or dial in some of your EDC items? It's just something that I've been thinking about lately, and it might be kind of a cool thing to invest in, but I'd want to make sure it would be worth my money and worth my time if I did do it. So I'm reaching out to you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Have you combined a 3D printer with woodworking, or do you use it to help further your EDC? But anyway, just a random thought. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button below and go ahead and subscribe. Trying to build up subscribers so I can do some fun things for you guys. But anyway, have a great day. I'll see you guys.